Beautiful is this land, Kauai. Waterfalls cascading from high above, bringing life to all that it touches. Your majestic cliffs and the beauty of your lush valleys hold stories unending. The richness of this land will enlighten future generations forever. Beautiful is this land, Kauai. An ancient land of splendor and beauty, rising from the blue Pacific Ocean. What is it that beckons visitors to this remote island? Is it the mild trade winds? Perhaps the sweeping ocean vistas? Or the tranquil, lush tropical foliage of its emerald mountains? Whatever its attraction, millions of tourists visit Kauai to be awed by the natural beauty, enjoy the sunbathing and surf on its sunny shores, and enjoy hiking its tropical mountain trails, refreshing pools, and shimmering waterfalls. Hollywood's producers are lured to this location to capture settings for TV shows such as Fantasy Island and movies like Jurassic Park. Whatever brings one to this enchanting isle, all will agree that the only way to see the inner beauty is to see Kauai by air.
Most tours depart the Lihue Airport, crossing over the world-class Kalapaki Bay, the resort area, and Nawiliwili Harbor. We soon see the Menehune Fish Pond that was said to have been built in one night by a race of small people who inhabited this island prior to the arrival of the Polynesians. As we approach Waimea Canyon, we no sooner catch our breath before our senses are again overwhelmed as the earth seems to fall away, revealing stunning ridges eroded by time. Waterfalls cascade from one pool to the next amid the ridges of Waialae, offering a spectacular view from the comfortable seat in our helicopter. how small and insignificant we are in comparison to the grandeur of Kauai's Waimea Canyon, where visitors from around the world come to experience the beauty of this natural wonder. It was here that the renowned author Mark Twain first called it the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. 10 miles long, a mile and a half wide, and 3,600 feet deep, the earth tones of its cliffs vary throughout the day and are impressive to behold. As we cross Kokee, we're unaware of what we are about to experience. In an instant, the panorama of the famed Napali coast comes into view. The entire stretch of this inaccessible coastline unfolds before us, where millions of years of wind and rain have deeply etched this land, whose volcanic peaks stand like silent sentinels guarding Napali. As we descend into the valley of Nuololoaina, our pilot tells us stories of the ancient inhabitants of the valley, painting pictures in our minds of a simple tropical way of life, a way of life now lost far away in the distant past.
He ainana ni o kauai, wailele mai luna, vai ho'opai e ola, na pali kila kila.
We approach Kalalau, another valley steeped in history. The picturesque beach lies below the razor-edged spires that stand majestically overhead. These ridges are often referred to as cathedrals. The Kalalau Trail once weaved its way down the entire length of this rugged coast, but today this 11.2-mile trail ends at Kalalau Beach. This land, the Kalalau Valley, now a state park, but only 100 years ago it was called home by over 5,000 Polynesians. Mount Waialeale, in the very center of the island, stands over 5,000 feet tall. The name Waialeale meaning ripples upon the waters. Because it is enshrouded in clouds so often, it was esteemed by ancient Hawaiians to be the home of their gods. And with an average rainfall here of over 450 inches each year, it's also esteemed today as the wettest spot on Earth. Ribbons of water plunge over 3,000 feet to the caldera's floor below, waters that cycle endlessly to the sea and back again. Spectacular mountain ranges, lush green valleys, and breathtaking waterfalls are a trademark of Kauai. An aerial tour of this, the most beautiful island in the world, is one that touches a chord in the hearts of everyone who experience it. Memories so vivid, they will never be forgotten.
Yeah.